Ja, ek het daai.
Good old camera.
Yep.
That's nice.
Hello and welcome to another adventure. We are here at the Berghuis and we are going to go look for a waterfall. So last time we were here, we went looking for water down this like valley we're at now, and then while we were there we looked around the corner and we could see a massive waterfall down the valley. So we are going to see if we can get to that waterfall this time. There's no routes there, so we don't know how far it is, we don't know how steep it is, we don't know if we can get there, but that's the mission for today, is to see if we can get there. We want to reach that waterfall over there, but we can't go down here because it's a cliff, so we can't go down there. So our plan is now to head down this little like embankment all the way down to there where that white spot is, and then track back all the way up the river to that waterfall. I'm a bit tired, just like scrambled up the rocks, but we made it. Behind me here's the waterfall, like a nice pool. There's another waterfall on the right hand side. But yeah, we made it. Wasn't too bad. Hour and 20 minutes hike, bit of bundu bashing, fun spot, good mission, successful mission. Like Ben says, the weather's on shuffle. There's like rain, wind, no rain, sun, no sun. It's just all the weathers combined. But yeah, cool. Now we're heading back, so we're gonna see how that goes. The steepest part and the roughest part is ahead. Hello. We made it to the top. The last bit was a very steep climb, but we made it. It's not that far. Everyone is over there and the rest are down there somewhere. Yes, out of breath. It was a successful mission. So yes, that was awesome waterfall. We'll see if we can go back in the summer, see how it is in the summer. But for now, the adventure has come to an end, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers! Woo! Yeah, not doing that again. Woo!